Venerable Publius of Egypt. April 5th. A prominent and wealthy man in 4th century Egypt renounces his possessions for monastic life, demonstrating profound humility and receiving the gift of discernment. Venerable Publius of Egypt lived in the 4th century during the reign of Emperor Julian, known as the Apostate, from 361 to 363. Before he embraced the monastic life, Publius held a position of prominence and possessed considerable wealth. He was a man of the world, accustomed to its comforts and honors, yet within his heart a different call began to resonate, a call to a life devoted entirely to God. Responding to this inner call, Publius made a decisive choice. He renounced his worldly status and possessions. He sold all his property, distributing the proceeds to the poor and needy. This act was not a mere gesture. It was a complete detachment from the material world, a profound commitment to follow Christ without impediment. Having divested himself of all earthly attachments, he entered a monastery in Egypt, seeking to live a life of asceticism and prayer. From the moment he entered the monastic community, Publius demonstrated a profound and unwavering humility. He did not seek honor or recognition, nor did he rely on his former status. Instead, he considered himself the least among all the brethren. This was not a feigned humility, but a genuine disposition of his heart. He actively sought out the most difficult and undesirable tasks within the monastery. He embraced obedience without question, seeing service to his brethren as the direct path to God. Whether it was cleaning the cells, carrying water, or attending to the sick, Publius performed each task with diligence and a spirit of joyful submission. His life became a living testament to the words of the Lord, "Whoever wishes to become great among you shall be your servant." Through his consistent practice of humility and his steadfast dedication to obedience, God granted Venerable Publius a spiritual gift. He received the grace of discerning the inner thoughts and spiritual states of others. This gift allowed him to perceive the hidden struggles, temptations, and virtues within the hearts of his fellow monks. He used this discernment not for judgment, but for prayer and compassionate understanding, offering silent support and intercession for those around him. This divine gift was a direct consequence of his self-emptying love and his genuine desire to serve rather than to be served. A significant event in the life of St. Publius was a vision he received, which confirmed for him the critical importance of steadfastness in the monastic path. He saw a great ship sailing upon the sea. This ship was filled with a multitude of monks, each one striving in ascetic labor. As the ship approached a heavenly harbor, symbolizing the kingdom of God, some monks were welcomed ashore, received into eternal rest and joy. However, others were turned away from the harbor, unable to disembark. Among those who were rejected, St. Publius recognized a brother from his own monastery. This monk had been known for his dedication to ascetic practices, yet he had recently grumbled against the abbot and had subsequently left the monastic community. The vision deeply affected Publius. It revealed to him the profound truth that outward asceticism, while valuable, must be accompanied by inner humility, unwavering obedience to spiritual authority, and perseverance within the community until the very end of one's life. The vision underscored that even great labors can be rendered unfruitful if they are not rooted in a spirit of submission and communal love. Venerable Publius continued his ascetic struggles, holding fast to the lessons learned from this vision. He remained a pillar of humility, obedience, and service within his monastery. His life served as an example to his brethren, demonstrating that true spiritual progress is found not in seeking great feats, but in faithfully performing the smallest duties with a heart purified by humility. He remained committed to the monastic way, serving God and his fellow monks with a quiet strength derived from his profound faith. The Orthodox Church commemorates Venerable Publius of Egypt on April 5th, honoring his memory and his witness to the virtues of humility, obedience, and steadfastness in the monastic calling. His life continues to inspire believers to seek the kingdom of God with a humble heart and an unwavering spirit of service.